We have taken our iconic brand to a whole new level to make it a true urban SUV. An urban SUV with premium and spacious interiors that performs like a beast while delivering excellent ride and comfort. And with its unmatched driving dynamics, intelligent 4Explore terrain management system, powerful diesel and petrol powertrains, multiple drive modes, body-on-frame construction, and a design that's unmissable. It took excellent craftsmanship and choice of materials to match the power that the exterior portrays with the luxury and freedom of space that the interior promises. And it shows, doesn't it? Authentic Mahindra SUV embellished with a lot of high-tech gadgetry. Like the state-of-the-art infotainment with Android Auto and CarPlay, and 70+ connected car features, a 12-speaker system from SONY with 3D surround sound. And of course, there's more to this SUV of tomorrow.
A strong foundation built on an agile and efficient third-generation chassis with best-in-class bending and torsional stiffnesses that provides great structural rigidity, off-roading capabilities, and high-speed stability. The state-of-the-art 200 bhp petrol and 175 bhp diesel engines deliver world-class performance. These engineering marvels make sure that Daddy overflows with power. The engines come with 6-speed manual as well as automatic transmissions equipped with shift-by-cable technology to offer excellent gear shift quality and drive comfort. We have equipped Scorpio-N with PENTA link rear suspension including segment first Watts link mechanism, delivering best-in-class handling. So curves, twists and turns, here we come. When it comes to ride comfort, Scorpio-N is equipped with first-in-segment, frequency-dependent damping and MTVCL technologies in the shock absorbers that swallows all the harsh impacts and enhances body control and ride comfort simultaneously. This is as smooth as it can get. It's big, but it is very easy to maneuver. With its fantastic electronic power steering system, you are always in control. The feather-light steering offers excellent returnability, making your every drive a walk in the park. With so much to offer, the Scorpio-N seems unstoppable, right? Wrong. Its high-performance braking system with an all-disc brake architecture ensures improved traction, direction control and vehicle dynamics, apart from ensuring absolute safety. Talking about safety, at Mahindra, we have always believed in setting high standards for safety. And the story continues with the all-new Scorpio-N. Big Daddy cares. Packed with all these features, one thing is for sure, the new Daddy is in town.
Follow us on our social media handles.
The all-new Scorpio-N, the big daddy of SUVs, is here.